payment failed, error or SHEIN, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end. The first step is understanding why your payment has failed. There may be insufficient funds on your card or wallet, or you may have entered the incorrect card details like your number, expiry, CVV and all of it, or the card may not support the international payment system. So you just need to check your payment details is the second step. So click on the option of your profile icon at the very bottom right, and from here you just need to click on the option of wallet at the very top, and from here make sure that your card details are correct and up to date. And if you are using a wallet like PayPal, Google Pay, make sure that it has sufficient fund. Now if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to try a different payment method like debit or credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay or something like that. And if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to simply turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to fix the network error which are occurring on a device. So by doing all of it, if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to contact your bank. Sometimes the bank blocks the international payments or online payments off your app, and by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the issue of payment fail on the SHEIN. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.